Hello, hello everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good week so far. I know I haven't been on here a lot lately. We have been swamped and on vacation. Actually out of town twice. We have had thousands of orders for the decals, the classroom door decals that we do. With our other business. So yeah, sorry, haven't been around here much. It's been a little crazy, but I'm ready to get back into it. So if you're hopping on here, say hi. And let me get these comments loaded. Hey Lisa, thanks for watching. Whoopsie, wrong button. Hold on. Let me get that. There we go. Perfect. So we're going to do just a quick project today. I'm not going to do anything super fancy, but I wanted to show you guys a cool little trick to add glitter and a little bit more shine to your project. So because I'm using one of our box frames, I'm actually going to wax it first because it's a wood surface. So I've got my paste finishing wax here, which I use all the time. The wood, the box frames are probably one of my favorite surfaces, so I use them the most. If you're hopping on here, say hi. I feel like I haven't been around much. I mean, I've been around, but I haven't been alive in a while. But we'll be back tomorrow with DIY Wednesday. Okay. Get that out of there. Okay. You just kind of buff it in a little bit. If you've never seen the finishing wax before, you just kind of buff it in until you can't see it. If you can see it, if it's yellow, then you've got too much. Okay, my desk is still a mess from the last video I did like 2 weeks ago. It's been crazy. I don't think I've slept more than like 5 or 6 hours a night. If I'm lucky. Okay. Ta-da! So this is what we're going to do today. Good vibes only, because that's what I need to hear right now. Okay, so I have to think through this really quick. So I'm going to do black on the good and the only, and the vibes. I'm going to use shimmer gold, which already has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that if I show you here. I'll show you guys there. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it already, but I'm going to add even more glitter. Because why not, right? Why not? This is the first time I'm using this transfer, so I'm going to fuzz it up first. If you're watching and you're not in my VIP group, comment VIP and I will send you the link to that. We just did a really cute pumpkin bundle a couple weeks ago, and I've got another bundle that's going to be ready to go at the beginning of next week. So be ready for that. Make sure you're in my VIP group. If you're not, comment VIP and I will send you the link. I love those quick videos you did, chalking on the jug and developing perfect country living decor. I know, I love, I live out in the country. Surprise. So anything in my house is like all farmhouse, because when we moved out here, it was the fixer-upper like Chip and JoJo craze, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have all the things farmhouse. And so I've shiplapped a wall in my house. I've got some like little crusties from my fuzzing cloth, so I'm just getting those off there. So yeah, I've got all the farmhouse stuff. Stacy and Lexi, I will send you the link to the VIP group when we're done here. Give me a little bit of time because I've got my kids and yeah. Gosh, school starts next week. Yay. My oldest is starting kindergarten. What the heck? I feel like there's so many things that I need to do, things that I want to do before he starts school, but it's been so crazy around here that I don't know. We'll see what gets done. Okay. The next bundles for the VIP group will be posting next week, so maybe this weekend. I can't remember. I have it on my calendar. It might be Sunday. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this back. I call this the paste and peel method. So paste it, peel it, and then just kind of lay it back. So that way by the time you get to the end, it's not completely dry. There's my squeegee. And then I'm gonna do the same thing down here. Hey Tammy, thanks for watching. That transfer would be cute on a t-shirt. Ooh, yes. I like that idea. And the inks are even more like shimmery and glittery. I feel like I have something on my nose. The inks are very shimmery and glittery. I'm so all over the place, you guys. Like, squirrel. Actually, I think it's just the sunspots on my nose. I'm like, ugh. All right, we're gonna peel up this part. And then we're doing this part last for a reason, because when you do the glitter, you want to make sure that where you're gonna put the glitter, you wanna make sure it's still wet. So I'm actually gonna wait a second because I do not want this black to be wet, because if I start doing the, if I start dumping the glitter on, it's gonna get on the black, and I don't want it on the black, I just want it on the gold. Teresa got my pumpkin kit yesterday, so cute. Yay! I'm glad you got it. If you make something with it, send me a picture. I wanna see your, that sounds really bad. I wanna see your pumpkins. That just doesn't sound good. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry this really quick because we want this black to be dry before we do the glitter. Just give me just a second. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got a little spot there. So I had a piece of something stuck to my transfer, so it bled. I'll just pick that off with an X-Acto knife or something. All right, now let's do the same thing down here. So I'm drying it because I don't want it to be wet when I put the glitter on the vibes part, because I don't want the glitter to stick to the black. Okay. All right, so, oops. Okay, I'm gonna put the gold on, I'm gonna peel it off right away, and I'm gonna, I should get my glitter ready. And then I'm gonna put my glitter on it. Now, sometimes the glitter, it comes off a little bit over time, but that's why I'm using the shimmer under it so that it doesn't lose like all of its shimmer. And I'm gonna get a lot of it on there because I want it to be wet. Really wet when I peel it off. So I'm not gonna be stingy. And I'm gonna go quick because I don't want it to dry. That's the big thing, is making sure that it doesn't dry before you peel off, whether you're doing glitter or not. You do not want it to dry before you peel it off. Okay. We're gonna go kind of quick. Peel. And spray, 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 spray. Okay, and then we're gonna put the glitter on. This is kind of a thin font, so I don't know how well this is gonna stay. There we go. It can be kind of a mess, but that's okay. Okay. Who wants more glitter? You can never have too much glitter, right? There we go. Okay. Just gonna kind of lightly tap it. Make sure it gets stuck to the paste. This works better if you've got like a more of a wider, thicker font. I've never done it with this thin of a font, but it should still work. Okay. Lid. And then, hoping yeah, that should be dry enough. Okay. I'm just gonna dump it back in this box because I thought I had a paper plate and I don't. So I'm gonna dump it in here and then I'll clean it up later because that's how we roll around here. Okay. Let's see if I can do this without, oh, there we go. Oh, that looks cute. Hold on, I'll show you in a second. Just give it a little tap, tap, taparoo. Okay. So now I've got, here. Okay. I'll set that off to the side. I've got this little bunch of glitter here that doesn't want to come off. There we go. I'm just gonna blow on it. Now be careful not to touch it. Hold on, I'll show you in a second. So I don't want to smear, the paste is still wet. There! Yay! Okay, hold on, let's see if I can show this to you guys closer. That is so cute. I love it. So it was already shimmer gold, and now it's even more sparkly. It looks so much better in person, you guys. Here, let me see if I can show you this way. Hold on. Let me take off the picture in picture. Okay, there. Maybe you can see it better this way. There, that looks better. Isn't that cute? You love it? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a heart if you like it. Oh, there's the sparkle. There it is. Good vibes only. Very good. That's all. Pretty easy, right? Okay. Can you do the glitter on a ceramic surface? I would think yes. It's not going to be permanent though. So like if you were doing a ceramic, I guess it depends what kind of ceramic. Like if you were doing a ceramic mug and you wanted it to be permanent, it's not going to stay. If you were doing just something like for decoration, it should stay no problem. I have done glitter on wood. I have done glitter on a chalkboard. What else have I? Metal. I've done glitter on metal. I think that's all I've done glitter on, but I don't see why it wouldn't work on ceramic. It was just, I mean, it's not going to be permanent or anything. So, depends what you want to use it for, I guess. Hope that answers your question. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Those of you who wanted to get into the VIP group, I will send you that link here in a little bit. Give me a little bit to go in and get my kids situated, and yeah. They'll probably want like dinner or something. You know, dinner. I want dinner. I'm hungry. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And remember, good vibes only. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Have a good night.